Cloud computing is a model for delivering computing services over the internet. Instead of having physical servers and computing resources on premises, cloud computing allows users to access these resources remotely over the internet. In a cloud computing model, the provider maintains and operates the computing infrastructure, including servers, storage, networking, and software. Users can access these resources on demand and pay only for what they use, typically through a subscription or pay-per-use model. Cloud computing offers several benefits, including 1. Scalability. Cloud computing allows users to quickly and easily scale their computing resources up or down based on their needs, without having to invest in additional hardware. 2. Cost savings. Cloud computing can be more cost-effective than traditional on-premises computing, as users only pay for the resources they use, without having to invest in hardware or maintain and manage their own infrastructure. 3. Flexibility. Cloud computing allows users to access their computing resources from anywhere, using any device with an internet connection. 4. Reliability. Cloud computing providers typically offer high levels of availability and uptime, with redundant systems and backups to ensure that users' data and applications are always available. Here are some additional details about cloud computing. 1. Types of cloud computing services. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. This provides users with virtualized computing resources, such as virtual machines, storage, and networking. Users can configure and manage these resources themselves, while the cloud provider is responsible for the underlying infrastructure. Platform as a service, as this provides users with a platform to build and deploy their own applications, without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. The cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure, while users can focus on developing their applications. Software as a service, SaaS. This provides users with access to software applications over the internet, without having to install or maintain the software themselves. The cloud provider manages the software and underlying infrastructure, while users can access the software through a web browser or other client application. 2. Types of cloud deployments. Public cloud. This is a cloud environment that is accessible over the internet to anyone who pays for the service. Public cloud providers, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, offer a range of services and pricing options to suit different needs. Private cloud. This is a cloud environment that is dedicated to a single organization, and is not accessible to the public. Private clouds can be hosted either on-premises or by a third-party provider, and offer greater control and security than public clouds. Hybrid cloud. This is a cloud environment that combines both public and private cloud deployments, allowing organizations to leverage the benefits of both while maintaining control over their data and applications. 3. Cloud security. Cloud computing providers typically offer a range of security features and controls to protect users' data and applications. These may include encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication, among others. However, users are still responsible for securing their own applications and data in the cloud, and should implement best practices for cloud security, such as strong passwords, regular backups, and access controls.